Hi guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make these cornrows. So let's get straight into the video. So for parting, I'm going to use this comb. I always start braiding my cornrows from the center of my head. So I went ahead and sectioned the hair as shown in the video. Then after that, I went ahead and put away the hair that's in the sides, and this is how we look like. So guys, I'm bringing you guys closer. So I start by parting a small section. As you guys can see, this video clearly explains itself. So I'll go ahead and separate this hair, this smaller parts that I'm from parting, into 3 sections. It's as though I'm about to braid a 3-strand braid. So you're going to hold your hair like this, and you're going to use your index finger to pass through in between the hair as shown in the video. Then you're going to use that index finger and the thumb to hold one side of the hair. Then you're going to braid going backwards. That's our direction. Our corner is going backwards. So you're going to continue braiding like that. Then each time the index finger passes, it's the one that's getting some more hair from the hair behind. Yeah guys, I'm trying as much as possible to explain so that this is going to be clear for you. But yeah, as you guys can see from the video, you can easily do this. Then there's someone who asked me a question if I use one hand to braid. No, I use 2. As you can see from the video, they're just alternating, and each hand is free at one time. So each time an index finger from one hand is passing to the other, it's also getting hair. I hope you guys are understanding what I am saying. Yeah, so we are going to continue doing just that. Remember, our direction is going backwards. And you guys, if someone would come to me like 2 years ago asking me to braid them this type of corners, I did not know how to braid them at all, but I continued watching like some YouTube tutorials here on YouTube. I watched a lot of videos instructing me on how to go about the process, and here I am today teaching you guys, showing you guys how I achieve this look, how I do my corners, and I believe that you also can learn, you also learn from this video. So guys, remember, the only finger that is getting hair as you are going backwards is the index finger. So yeah, and as you are braiding, make sure that you hold the hair with some force, because the corner might turn out to be very soft, like it's not tight. So make sure that you put some force and don't pull it. Make sure you don't pull your corners. Yeah, so it gets better with practice. So I've just done a half corner so that you guys will see a very detailed tutorial. Then as you guys can see, I've reached the end of the corner. Yeah, let's imagine that's the end of the corner. So you go ahead and braid a 3-strand braid, as you guys can see. Then you can see that we have a properly braided corner, which is tight and very neat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this one more time. So guys, let's do this second corner together. So I'm going to start by parting a section of hair. So for beginners, if you're just learning, you can get smaller sections first. Not very small, but yeah, maybe a size like the one that's shown in the video. Yeah, don't get a bigger chunk of hair, because it will be hard for you to manage. So after parting, don't forget to put away the other hair that has remained. To put it away, you can twist it as I am doing, or you can use a hair tie, but just make sure that there is no hair that's going to distract you as you are going to be doing the cornrow. Okay guys, so I'm going to bring you guys closer again to have a closer view. So the first step, part the front part of the hair, a smaller section, then go ahead and separate it into 3 parts as though you want to do a 3-strand braid. Make sure you have a mirror in front of you so that you'll be clearly able to see what you are doing. So let's start doing the braid. So you're going to get your index finger and pass it just the way I'm doing. Then use your other hand to hold the free hair as shown in the video. So you're going to go ahead and braid in the backward direction. Yeah, then as I said, each time there's only one hand which is free, which means the other is holding the hair, and the only finger that gets the hair as it's passing is the index finger. So guys, another tip that can make braiding easier is braiding your cornrows on stretched hair, not like very stretched hair, but hair that is detangled, because if it's in its very natural state, the hair gets tangled. So the hand that is free, as you can see, is the one that separates the hair, is the one that removes the tangles, as you guys can see. So when your hair is a bit blow dried, the process becomes easier compared to when the hair is just from being washed, or maybe in its very natural state. So guys, braiding your own hair is not easy, but it gets easy with practice and just dedication, and if you really want to know it. So guys, there's a post that I made on the community tab here on YouTube, updating you guys about the changes that I've made for this channel. So the changes are that there's only one change actually. It's that this channel will only be dedicated to hair videos, as well as some tutorials for sewing for those who love sewing. But mostly it's going to be for hair tutorials and just hair related content. And for the vlogs, I actually created a new channel just dedicated to the vlogs. The channel is called Venzo Vlogs. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can go and subscribe and watch my vlogs for those who are interested in seeing more of my life here in Morocco, as well as life as a mechanical engineering student here, like living abroad. So you can subscribe there. So let's get back to the video. So guys, we are almost reaching the end, and I hope you guys have learned something. And if you find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and subscribe for more hair content. And guys, don't forget to practice what you have learned, okay? Just go in front of a mirror, get a comb, and just start practicing in your hair in case there's no one else who you can practice on. So guys, we are done with both of the cornrows, and this is how they look. So if you're interested in seeing more of cornrow videos and how to do cornrows, you can check out the video on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.